He's here. Hello, everybody. This is Carson from Creationists, and Noah is here.
Oh, what a camera, dude! What a setup!
Already rolling, man.
That's a camera and
Rule
a
number
half,
one,
dude.
always be filming. Yeah, it's hefty. You wanna get a feel?
Yeah, it looks awesome. Oh man,
Beast, right?
what a camera, dude! This thing's a monster.
My camera. What about your camera?
I mean,
You got
yeah,
the EOS R.
My camera's a beast. My camera's a beast. But I think what makes it feel so monstrous and like amazing.
It's battery grip.
Yeah.
Bro, you should get one.
I know.
You really should.
I was looking at stuff and everything today. I was like, I should have got one. Best Buy.
Yeah.
So next purchase, I know what I'm doing.
We don't. We never have battery grips, at all.
Tell me I gotta buy
In
one
stock.
online.
Yeah, you're probably gonna have to buy one online. They're super expensive too. They're like $300,
Oh yeah,
but they're worth it.
yeah, because then it looks cool like that.
It's super heavy too. Yeah. This is how you get a nice form. You see that right? If you want this muscle on your forearm, vlog.
What's up, guys? My name's Noah. I have my best friend Carson in the back. What you just saw was us making these delicious pb&j, sponsored by Peter Pan. Don't know what you did with that.
Put it up.
Peter Pan peanut butter. We're about to shoot a delicious and hopefully beautiful coffee scene, but first, we're gonna enjoy these.
That was the worst. You film me.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so I'm gonna give you the quick tour of my house. We're gonna start at, zoom in. We only got 40. It goes 40 to 17.
Oh, nice.
We're at Carson's Surf Shop. I go wide. And this is the door we usually use. Everyone who's a first comer will go through the front door because, that's how it is. People ring doorbells. But for future reference, just walk through my door. Over here, I've got this beautiful recliner, $50. Got it from
$50?
$50. Yeah, got it from a neighbor who's moving out. So steel, absolutely love this. My first dad chair. And then you've got this nice, messy couch. Friend left a hat. He always leaves something every time. And then I've got my unicycle gear right here. Here, let's get some lights on this bad boy. Boom.
Oh.
Gotta have that beautiful bokeh. Go to 40. That nice bokeh. Ooh, bokeh. Okay, now we're gonna head over here. This is the dining room. So, many of you know that Dorian is on its way. So we are stacked up, ready, locked and loaded. And as well, we've got our beautiful jalapenos here. Throw those in your omelets. They're nice and fresh. And then over here is what makes the 636 Bistro. We got this nice little coffee area. I don't know if you drink coffee.
Oh, I drink coffee like 25/7.
25/7, he says. So today we've got this Kona blend. We're gonna be making some nice fresh coffee. This is whole bean. We only buy the real stuff. And then follow me. We're gonna get into this kitchen. Now, get a low shot. I don't want you to actually show how gross this whole kitchen is. It's really gross, guys. But look at all these spices.
Seasonings, man.
So many seasonings. It's beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, let's get out of the kitchen. It's gross. Okay, and then wait. Do you hear that? It sounds like opportunity. Hello, yes, we'll take 2. Yeah, this house was built in the 1950s, so we do have this nice little spot. Put your phone book down there. Hey, that's a bill. We don't need to show that information. Oh, and then, by the way, whenever you're walking into the gross kitchen, you can always do some nice pull-ups. Try to get a fixed perspective on here with my head. You on 40?
Yeah.
Boom! Ooh, yeah, that's a good workout for the whole day right there.
That's all you need, man.
That's all you need. Oh, gross bathroom. Don't need to show that. So this was no joke. This used to go 10 feet back. But now there's a wall there.
Now it's 2 feet.
Yes, now it's 2 feet. That's a pretty good, you know, if I got a tape measure, I think you'd be right at 2 feet. Okay, now we are headed into the studio. Alright, let's get wide, let's get wide. Now this room is a mess, of course, but I am okay with showing that. Today I just got the nice HP sprocket, and I just got done shooting my session 6 of the video journal. Yep. This is my closet, don't show it off. Alright, yep, but this is it, and this is where I edit. Thanks for watching this home tour at 636 Studios. We'll catch you in the next one. Nice cinematic sequence, and then it just cuts. Don't put this in there, man.
Okay.
Rehearsal.
Yeah.
It doesn't have to be one.
No.
Or you can just hold it.